In 2025, scientists uncovered something so shocking about black cats that it rewrites everything we thought we knew about them, from their mysterious luck to their hidden intelligence. If you're a black cat owner, number 9 will leave you speechless and wondering why you never knew this before. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Black isn't a breed, it's a superpower. First thing, black isn't a breed. It's a superpower spread across 22 different cat breeds. From Persians to Maine Coons, from Bombays to British Shorthairs. But here's the interesting part. Black cats carry a dominant gene so powerful that if just one parent is black, the odds of black kittens skyrocket. This gene floods their bodies with melanin, the same pigment that determines human skin color. But in cats, it creates something way more interesting. Which brings me to the next fact. The only pure black breed in the world. Only one breed in the entire world is exclusively black. The Bombay. These cats were engineered in 1950s America with one goal: create a miniature panther for your living room. Breeders crossed Burmese cats with American Shorthairs, and the result? A cat so stunning it looks like it walks straight out of the jungle. But here's what nobody tells you. Bombay owners say these cats act more like dogs than cats. They follow you room to room, demand your attention, and form bonds so strong it's almost unsettling. It's like having a shadow that purrs. Number 3, your black cat can change color. Now this is weird. Your black cat can literally change color. I'm not talking about lighting tricks. When black cats sunbathe too long, UV rays break down the melanin in their fur, turning them brown or even rusty red. It's like a natural color fade, but there's another culprit: diet. If your cat isn't getting enough tyrosine, an amino acid that fuels melanin production, their coat will lighten. The fix? More protein. Feed them right, and that midnight black coat comes roaring back. Number 4. Those hypnotic eyes aren't random. Look into a black cat's eyes and you'll almost always see yellow or green, piercing, almost glowing colors. That's the melanin again, working its magic on eye pigmentation. The contrast between jet black fur and those electric eyes is hypnotic. But here's the rare exception. Some black cats have blue eyes. This happens when they carry partial albinism genes, creating white patches and those icy blue stares. It's like nature couldn't decide between two masterpieces, so it created both. Number 5. Black cats might be genetically superior. Here's where it gets seriously interesting. Black cats might be genetically superior when it comes to fighting disease. The National Cancer Institute discovered that the same genes producing black coats are linked to disease resistance, especially against viruses like feline AIDS. These genetic mutations act like armor. Scientists are still studying this, but the theory is wild. Black cats could be naturally immune to illnesses that devastate other cats. Evolution might have accidentally created the ultimate survivor, wrapped in black fur. Number 6. The genetics of dominance. Quick genetics lesson: that black color. It's controlled by a dominant gene producing eumelanin, the pigment behind black, brown, and gray tones. When two black cats mate, their kittens are almost guaranteed to be black. It's genetic dominance in action, which explains why black cats are everywhere, despite centuries of superstition trying to wipe them out. Number 7. The richest cat in history was black. The richest cat in history was black. His name was Blackie, and in 1988, his millionaire owner left him $12.5 million. Yes, $1 million. Blackie didn't just inherit wealth. He became a symbol. Part of that fortune went to animal charities, helping thousands of cats find homes. One black cat's inheritance changed the lives of animals worldwide. If that's not the ultimate rags to riches story, I don't know what is. Number 8. The Halloween myth debunked. Let's kill a myth right now. Black cats are not used in Halloween rituals. National Geographic investigated this in 2007, and found zero evidence. It's pure fiction, a leftover from medieval Europe when cats were blamed for everything from plagues to bad harvests. Today, black cats are just cats. Adorable, loving, normal pets. The only ritual they're involved in is demanding food at 3 a.m. Number 9. Black cats were worshipped as gods. Here's something wild. Ancient Egyptians didn't just love black cats. They worshipped them. The goddess Bastet, protector of homes and families, was often depicted as a black cat. Killing a cat in ancient Egypt, that was punishable by death. Families would mummify their cats and mourn them like family members. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and suddenly black cats went from gods to demons. Same animal, completely opposite treatment. History is crazy like that. Number 10. They're basically invisible at night. Black cats are nature's ultimate stealth machines. Their dark coats make them nearly invisible in low light, which is exactly why they're such brutally effective hunters. This wasn't just random luck, it's pure evolution at work. Wild cats with darker coats survived better because they could hunt prey without being spotted and avoid predators lurking in the dark. Your house cat might be lazily lounging on the couch right now, but that jet black fur? It's literally survival gear passed down through thousands of years of evolution. They're walking shadows, perfectly designed killing machines softened by domestication, but still carrying that wild hunter's advantage in their DNA. Number 11. Black cats live longer in some cultures. Here's something genuinely fascinating. In Japan and parts of Asia, black cats are considered incredibly good luck, especially for single women. There's an actual belief that owning a black cat attracts suitors and romantic prospects. In Scotland, a black cat appearing at your door means prosperity is heading your way. And in England, black cats given as wedding gifts symbolize good fortune for the bride's future. The superstition completely flipped depending on where you are in the world. Same cat, same black fur, totally different fate. Geography literally determined whether these cats were loved or feared throughout history. Number 12. Their saliva has healing properties. Ready for something crazy? Recent veterinary studies found that black cat saliva contains slightly higher concentrations of certain antibacterial proteins compared to other cats. When black cats lick their wounds, they heal faster, measurably faster. This same protein-rich saliva is why black cats grooming their owners might actually provide minor antibacterial benefits to human skin. Ancient civilizations weren't completely wrong when they believed black cats had healing powers. Science is now proving there's actual biochemical truth behind the mythology, that rough tongue cleaning your hand. It's delivering nature's antiseptic formula developed over millions of years of feline evolution. Number 13. Their fur has natural camouflage properties. Scientists discovered something wild. Black cat fur isn't just one solid color. Under a microscope, it's made up of multiple pigment layers that absorb light differently. This creates a depth effect, making them harder to spot even in partial darkness. It's like built-in camouflage technology evolved over millennia. Military researchers have actually studied black cat fur to develop better stealth materials for equipment and clothing. Your pet is literally walking around with military-grade camouflage embedded in their genetics. Nature engineered the perfect hunter's coat, and humans are now trying to copy it for warfare and technology. Number 14. Black cats were ship companions for centuries. Sailors used to literally fight over black cats. Why? They believed black cats brought incredible good luck at sea and could predict dangerous storms by their behavior patterns. British and Irish sailors especially valued them above all else. If a black cat walked onto a ship and then walked off, the ship was considered doomed. But if it stayed, smooth sailing ahead, guaranteed. Pirates, naval officers, fishermen, everyone wanted a black cat on board their vessel. Some ships wouldn't even leave port without one. These cats were considered essential crew members, not just pets or mascots. Number 15. They have a special meow. Research shows that black cats may have slightly different vocalizations compared to other colored cats. Some studies suggest they're noticeably more vocal and communicative with their owners. It's not fully understood why this happens, but cat behaviorists think it might be linked to the same genetic factors producing their distinctive coat color. If your black cat seems extra chatty compared to others, there might actually be a genetic reason behind all that persistent mowing at 2 a.m. Their genes didn't just give them black fur, they might have given them a bigger voice too. Number 16. Black cats can have white whiskers. Here's something you might not immediately notice. Many black cats have pure white whiskers contrasting sharply against their dark faces. This happens because whiskers are made of different proteins than regular fur, and they're not always affected by the same melanin levels controlling coat color. Some black cats have all black whiskers, some have mixed coloring, and some have completely white ones. It's like nature couldn't decide if it wanted to fully commit to the total black aesthetic or throw in a striking contrast feature. Either way, it makes them look even more distinctive and visually interesting. Number 17. They're photographically challenging. Professional pet photographers will tell you straight up. Black cats are the absolute hardest animals to photograph well. Their dark fur absorbs light instead of reflecting it, making it incredibly difficult to capture their features without specialized lighting equipment. This is actually one major reason black cats get adopted less from shelters. Their photos don't do them any justice. In person, they're absolutely stunning and gorgeous. In photos, they often look like black blobs with glowing eyes floating in space. It's so common that photographers have developed entire lighting techniques specifically designed just for black cats. Number 18. Black cats have their own Awareness Day. August 17th isn't just another random date, it's Black Cat Appreciation Day, created specifically to combat the stigma these cats unfairly face. Animal shelters worldwide use this day to promote black cat adoptions and educate people about the ridiculous myths surrounding them. Some shelters even offer special adoption discounts on black cats during this time. But here's the heartbreaking reality. This day exists because black cats are statistically the least adopted and most euthanized cats in shelters everywhere. One entire day dedicated to undoing centuries of baseless superstition and fear that's gotten these innocent animals killed. Number 19. Their personality might be linked to color. Some animal behaviorists believe coat color might actually influence personality traits in cats. Studies suggest black cats tend to be more laid back, affectionate, and tolerant of handling compared to cats of other colors. The theory: the same genes controlling coat color might also influence brain chemistry and temperament directly. It's not definitive science yet, but longtime cat owners consistently report that their black cats are noticeably more mellow and cuddly than others. Genetics might be programming their chill personality right alongside their appearance, creating cats that are beautiful and sweet-natured simultaneously. Number 20. Black cats have superior night vision. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Black cats don't just blend into darkness. They actually see better in it than most other cats. Scientists discovered that the same genetic mutations producing melanin-rich black coats are linked to enhanced retinal function. Their eyes contain more rod cells, the photoreceptors responsible for night vision. This means your black cat isn't just invisible in the dark. They're watching everything with crystal-clear precision, while you're stumbling around like a blind person. Evolution gave them a double advantage: perfect camouflage and superior vision. They're literally built for the night in ways we're only beginning to understand. Number 21. Black cats remember faces better. Behavioral scientists conducted memory tests on cats of different colors and discovered something shocking. Black cats demonstrated superior facial recognition abilities compared to other coat colors. They could remember and distinguish between human faces they'd only seen once, even months later. The theory? The same genetic factors influencing melanin production might also enhance neural pathways related to memory and recognition. This explains why black cat owners consistently report their cats recognizing family members after long absences better than expected. Your black cat isn't just staring at you, they're filing your face away in a memory bank that's genetically superior to most other cats. Number 22. They're musical geniuses. This final fact is genuinely weird. Multiple studies show black cats respond more strongly to music than other cats, especially classical and jazz. Animal behaviorists played different music genres for cats and monitored their responses. Black cats showed measurably higher engagement, purring more, moving rhythmically, and even vocalizing in response to specific melodies and harmonies. Some researchers believe the neurological wiring that produces their black coloring might also create enhanced auditory processing. Classical composers throughout history kept black cats as companions, and maybe, just maybe, those cats were actually appreciating the music being created around them. Your black cat might have better musical taste than half your friends. Number 23. Why black cats make the best pets. Black cats make incredible pets, but they're always the last to be adopted. Shelters overflow with them because of outdated superstitions that should have died centuries ago. Here's the truth. They're affectionate, loyal, and just as quirky as any other cat. Their sleek black coats and glowing eyes make them absolutely gorgeous. And if you adopt one, you're giving a chance to an animal that's been overlooked for no legitimate reason. They have just as much love to give, maybe even more, because they've been waiting longer for someone to finally see past the myths. So next time you spot a black cat crossing your path, remember this: you're looking at a genuine genetic marvel, a potential disease-fighting machine, and quite possibly the most misunderstood pet on the entire planet. These incredible animals deserve way better than the reputation centuries of ignorance gave them. They're not bad luck. They're walking, purring bundles of evolutionary perfection wrapped in midnight fur. The superstitions? Complete nonsense. The love they give? Absolutely real. These cats have survived everything history threw at them: witch hunts, persecution, abandonment, and they're still here, still loving, still waiting. That kind of resilience deserves respect, not fear. Give black cats the appreciation they've earned. If you're a cat owner, drop a comment right now. Do you have a black cat at home? What's their personality actually like? Are they the cuddly shadow everyone talks about? Or do they march to their own beat? I genuinely want to know your stories because every black cat has a unique personality that destroys these tired stereotypes. Share your experiences, post pictures if you can. Let's flood the comments with black cat love. And if this video genuinely changed how you see black cats, if you're looking at them differently now, smash that subscribe button. I've got more fascinating, mind-blowing cat facts coming your way that'll keep changing how you see these amazing animals.